Okay, so now you have your sales channel connected and also your bookkeeping channel connected. And the next step is to complete the account and taxes wizard for Shopify. So here we have a Shopify account connected to a Xero account. On the left hand side, you'll see a list of all the different transaction types where we are grouping all of the many types of Shopify transactions into. Now, you can see a bit more information about what each of these are by hovering over these little eye icons. We also tell you what type of transaction category they are, and then we suggest a set of default accounts. Now, if you accept those accounts, which is what most people do, then we will add those into your Xero chart of accounts. However, you do also have the option of choosing any of your existing chart of accounts should you want to do so. The next thing you do is click this next button. Now, because this is a European Xero account that I've connected to, so it's a UK Xero account, you're going to see this page as well. So I'm going to say that I'm VAT registered in the United Kingdom and also in Germany, for example. Now, if you aren't VAT registered at all, then you would tick this one. If you only hold the UK, then you would tick just the UK. If you hold the UK and some others, then you can select those here. I'm going to say that I'm UK and Germany. Then I'm going to click next. And then on the next step, you're going to be asked if you sell any Xero rated or reduced rated products. Now, in this case, I don't. So I'm just going to use the example that I only sell standard rated products. However, just so that you can see how it does work, if we selected that we sold Xero rated or reduced rated products, then what would happen is the system would create a couple of product groups. So you'd have Xero rated products, reduced rated products, and standard rated products, which later on, once you've completed the wizard, it will be your responsibility to tell us which of your SKUs, which of your products go into each of these groups, and we will then automatically apply the correct tax rate to those groups. But just to be clear, you will need to move your products into those groups. This does not happen automatically. So the next thing you would do, so say let's go back and say that I'm going to only sell standard rated. Okay, now if you're a QuickBooks user, this step is specific to you. Xero users won't see this step. So what we need to know if you're a QuickBooks user is where Shopify deposits your funds and where they retrieve any funds if you have a negative seller balance. So what you'll do is you'll select from your list of bank accounts and credit cards which account the money is deposited into and which card or account Shopify take the money out of. And then once you've done that, you will click next. And then on the last step, it is to confirm your tax rates. So we have pre-filled, based on the answers you've given so far, some tax rates, which are default tax rates. You do need to check these. We are not responsible for making sure they're correct. You are. So please check these with your accountant. What most people do is just take a quick screenshot of this page, send it to their accountant, get them to give it the once over, and then everything's good. Now, just to make things again nice and easy, we have included little tooltips which explain what each of these different categories are. We've broken them down into sales that are dated before the 1st of January with your pre-Brexit tax rates, and then sales that are dated after that date, so they're post-Brexit sales, and then your fees and other transactions. So once you're happy with these and you've checked them with your accountant, you can click this box and click confirm, and then you're done.